Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Lens on Pixel 10 Pro. To use Google Lens, I'll show you all the things that you can do with it, but before that, first you need to know how to open it. So if you have this widget of Google, you'll have this little camera icon right here. You can click on it to open Google Lens. I'll click on while using the app, so it has camera permissions. Now I can open the camera. But before that, maybe let's see the other method. If you don't have the widget, go to the Google app, like here. And then you'll find the Google Lens right here. And now you can start using it. So as you probably can see in the title of this video, you can translate. So let's try translating. I'll just try getting some text that is in a different language. Okay, I have a ticket from a train that's not in English, so we can translate it. And to do it, just take a picture of it. Then, when the picture is taken, you can click on Translate. And now it translates it. And from what I can see, it is quite accurate. So that's great. Now let's try doing some other things, because it's not only translating that it can do. You can also copy the text by pressing and holding, either on the translated text or on the original text. As you can see right here, I can translate everything. I can select everything by pressing and holding, then dragging these ends, so it knows where to select, then click on copy. And now it is copied, so I can, for example, go here and paste it, like whatever. And you can see it's pasted when you press and hold, right? Now for normal text, it's also possible. So if I just have taken a picture of it without translating it, I can also click on select text, or also to select the whole text, and now click on copy and then paste it somewhere. So that's really great. Now also the next thing that it can do is identify. It can identify objects. So when I take a picture of the whole ticket, let's see if it discovers that, like, it's, you know, it's a ticket for a train. So yeah, if I go here now, I'll need to select the whole thing, make sure that the thing is selected. And now you can see, yeah, it discovers the same exact one. So that's great. We can also do it with, like, for example, probably our logo will be discovered correctly. Let's see that. Yeah, as you can see, it discovers a video of like our channel. So you can see that. Now you can also identify, let's try this plant, for example. Make sure that if the selection is wrong, like for example like that, then to redrag the selection so the correct object is selected. And now it shows you the item. And yeah, so I hope that this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.